Hey Madeline, you want to open up your birthday present from Aunt Debbie and Uncle Larry and Sarah and Garrett? Here. Hey you. Hey Madeline. Looky here. Madeline. Look, a card. It says Madeline's happy first birthday. Let's see if I can open it up here. Okay, you ready? Madeline, look, it's your first birthday, little princess. Madeline, everyone knows what a sweetie you are. Baby, you shine. You're the bright birthday star. Have a super day. We love you so much. Uncle Larry, Aunt Debbie, Garrett, and Sarah. Isn't that sweet? Okay, here's the card. Here, you put it there. Now look at this. Look at your toy. Ooh. Here, Madeline. Hi. Madeline, look. Looky here. Oh, it looks like a kitchen. You know, your Aunt Debbie, she's great in the kitchen. Looky there. What do you think? What do you think? We'll get it all taken out of there. Madeline, can you say thank you? Thank you. Say bye-bye. Madeline. Hey. Madeline. Madeline, say bye-bye. Bye-bye. Can you say bye-bye? Yeah, good girl.